let's get into our orange. I don't have a lot left for our little orange things, but we're just going to do the best we can, and I'll probably just flip through these pages looking for a place to put an item. Oh, wouldn't it be cute coming out of his mouth? How do I do that? Or holding in his hands? How about we just put it right there? Oh, wait a minute. We could have it with her holding it. And then I just do a little snippy snip. This I can sort of understand how to do it. And then you do a little snippy snip like that. And it should look a little bit like she's holding it. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I wonder, let me go ahead and do a little bit closer of a trim. And then we'll have her holding it. There we go. Let's put it right. Which you guys probably, no, I think that looks good, right? From your angle. I love that. Don't you love it when a plan comes together, you guys? Oh my goodness. Okay, then let's look in our little dish here. We have a little fish. And in the book that I got, a magazine that I got this out of, he was sort of in the grasses. So that's why he looks like that. Come out from behind there. That could be cute. Oh, there's another orange here. All right, we'll put that in. Let's try this corner. Ooh, you guys. Oh yeah, we must. That looks so awesome. All right, let's get them glued in here. How are you guys doing? Did you like the last color glue book video where I started with the color red and we're just layering? If you're new here, welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. And I do have a playlist, color glue book, if you're interested in, going back in time. Oh, I love this idea. Okay. Yeah. He's swimming in macaroons. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. And this is a goldfish character named Gumball. I used to watch this with my youngest son. Oh my goodness, I wasn't even paying attention. I just wanted to clarify something. The show is called The Amazing World of Gumball, and Gumball was a cat, not the goldfish. The goldfish's name was Darwin. Let me tell you his entire name. You ready? Darwin, Raglan, Caspian, Ahab, Poseidon, Nicodemus, Watterson III. Darwin for short. Anywho, they were BFFs, and the cat basically adopted Darwin into his family, and it's very important because the show was super, super cute. And in case there's any Gumball fans out there, you guys are like screaming, no, that's not his name. Anywho, I knew it was wrong when I filmed, but I was like, I'm gonna have to look that up. Anywho, me and my bun say thank you for the break and back to the show. Okay. All right, so we have a couple more oranges, and I think I'll put one there, and let's put one right here so he's sort of sitting in between it. I won't bore you with all of the gluing, and I already put that one in. That way you don't get bored, and hopefully you'll watch the whole video. Okay, ooh, I just love that page, and you guys, look, if you're new here, look. Oh, I love that. I have multiples of these in this book. All right, then we have, so this is what I have. And we have some washi tape. We have a Golden Girls playing card, the Golden Girls. Name the man both Blanche and Sophia dated at the same time. Do you know that answer? Name the man both Blanche and Sophia dated at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Fidel Santiago. I love the Golden Girls, but I did not know that answer. You know what would be fun if this, yep, that's going to happen. Did you see that? We're going to put that right in there, and it'll be part of the tip-in. Listen, Linda, when we are being creative, we got to go with it. All right, so now it's stuck in there. Oh, how much fun. You guys see that? All right, then we have some regular papers. We have a Hershey's candy or chocolate. And let's go back this way. Oh, there's lots of foods. And I don't have to use, this almost looks red, but I promise you it is orange. I'll go ahead and, let's see, I have 2 of them. So we can sort of put these top out. If I sort of like the thought of stapling them. Is there anything else we can add? You know, to make it fun. Then we have this paper. What else do I have? We have a sweater. We have this little orange. Oh, these are stars. Orange. That looks sort of dumb, doesn't it? You guys are like, don't put that there. That and that. And I don't want to use the sweater. We have this sticker. I sort of like that. It looks like a ribbon. And then I have these stars, which I don't know if you guys can see. All right, let me staple these here underneath. And then I'll glue, not glue, I'll go ahead and use the sticker to affix this down. Yes. And then, okay. And then I'd like to use the little stars. First, before I show you what I did, I'm going to add some washi tape to the bottom here. And also to the top. Just fold it over. There we go. And I just cut the bottom so that they have like a little ribbon effect, like somebody won this award. And I was thinking of putting it, wouldn't mind covering up that space there. Let's do that. Isn't that cute? I love ribbons. It always just makes me think of, fairs. So we're going to put that right there. And then I just thought we could put this up here. We could do the sweater. Oh, look at that. That almost fits him. There's the 5 stars right there. Let's see what else we have. Okay. Yeah, we'll just put this like right here. 5 stars would go again. I have this little vintage thing. I love you. Let's just do it. Trying not to think too much. I mean, that is a daily occurrence, but not on purpose. Alrighty. There we go. Put that over there. I don't even know if you guys can see. I've had this for many, many years. I have a, you know how like you have the little happy planners and then it comes with little stickers? This was part of it. And of course, at the end, I will show you the up close of these. There we go. Do I have anything else? I have a Monopoly $500 bill. Yeah, we should totally put that there. Let me go ahead and trim off the corners. And yeah, that'll work. That's sort of filled up that pretty decently. Okay. Back here. I also have, let's go ahead and put this in there. It is a button, and it was on a necklace, Be Brave. I had an idea for Juliana Hugh to be holding it, but she's already holding that. But what if we made this dinosaur necklace? What do you think about that? And I can just draw the necklace on. So I need to get my glue. And I believe I can just put it on the rim here. I need a new Aleene's tacky glue because, oh, okay, I guess we're just going to go all in. It's not really what there we go. I didn't really set out to do that. Because going in that area is not going to affix anything. There we go. All right, let's put it right there. And it's sort of cute because the dinosaur needs his little lucky necklace that reminds him to be brave. Yes, I know, I'm very juvenile. He's got a big old chain on. I mean, I guess, right? Be brave. And then we're going to give him, if the gold will show up. Where'd it go? We'll give him a little bit of gold. And there's our little dinosaur. I gave him a grill, a gold grill. I mean, come on now. He's got his necklace, or she's got her necklace, and her be brave. Listen, we all need reassurance sometimes. All right, let me see. So we have, that does not fit on that. That does not fit there. Too big for me. Make it look like that fish has arms. We might have to save this for the next time. Yeah, we're going to save this for the next time. This little thing has been with me, this little rosette. It's from a cake, and I need to use it. But this yellow part always annoys me, and that's why I've never used it. So we're just going to cut that off, and we'll put this on the edge of the paper, and then it'll be in there. Let's do that right there. Because I don't want to be seeing this the next time I do a colored glue book. I want some mostly fresh things. Okay. Ooh, I really like that I would like to use the sweater, but nope, I'm not going to do it. Calm down. I think I should put it right there. Let's see if it'll stick to this fabric. It's like fabric paper. A lot of glue on it. Are you kidding me? Did you see what I just did? I thought that it was printed on both sides. Ay. Okay, I'll just set this aside and let it dry. Do I have another one? Okay, I do not. Let's do the Hello, I'm sticker. I can't believe I did that. There we go. All right, let's put the little pumpkin. I've had this for a long time. This was part of a little sticker pack from 1990 something. We're going to put that right by the tiger. And what was the other thing? Okay, I have a few, I don't know. Oh, here it is. I was like, where did I put that thing? And you know what, guys? I don't know where the other orange things are. Did I already hook them on there? Maybe that's what I did. Wow. Then we will put our little thing somewhere. That looks like a jellyfish from prehistoric times. Here are our final orange pages, and I'm sorry if there's any glare. Just be prepared because I have this foil on here. All right, here we go. This is what we have. And mostly what I'm adding are like hearts and like using my marker to do little miscellaneous things. Hello, I'm orange. Then we have really nothing different down here. Our little ribbon and the washi tape up there. So that is everything on those 2 pages. Then over here, I did polka dots and scribbles, and I outlined these in an orange marker. What else? On the back of the letter D, I did some polka dots and, just to bring it all together. Oops. And then on the orange drink, I just, wrote orange. I'm like, wait a minute, O-R-A-N-G, capital G with the lowercase, that's right. And then these oranges. Oh, and I did a little line around her and gave the tractor and her polka dots. I did her cuff orange. I gave her an orange boot, and her headband is now orange. Because it's orange pages, y'all, right? Okay, here I like to add text, obviously, so we have orange written all over the place around the little letters, not in everything, but, and then I added a bunch of little hearts, and on my little picture back here, I added some hearts. So let me show you up close. I love that glitter paper. This is me in high school. I think I was a sophomore. I twirled a flag in the marching band. Our little fish. Isn't that cute? And then, oops, sorry. This book is so heavy, you guys. Ready? Oh, listen. What a great sound. Next page, we have our dinosaur. I love this page. It's just too cute with our little Be Brave necklace, and I added some miscellaneous things. Here I salvaged that $500 bill, y'all, and added it, and then just used my marker here and there. I wrote the letters for orange on top of these. Are these kumquats? Is that what you guys told me? I gave her orange hearts on her shirt, and then I highlighted her crease in her pants. So I'll show you that in a second. Here's some of this textured paper. So cool. I got that from the Dollar Tree. My son sent me a bunch of that. Here's our dinosaur's grill. And then there's the necklace. Is that fun or what, y'all? He's got his $500, or she's got her $500 bill. Here we go. And I went back over her lips with orange marker. And then you can see her creases in her pants are now a different color orange. So I believe that's the last page. Let's go to our yellow. So here are the pages. We're going to try to add a few things. We do have some room here that we can add stuff to. We have some room here. And I believe this is the last page. Yeah. So we have a little bit of room. And here is our yellow box, so little smalls.